Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Dear student, do you know how many seasons in our country? Our today's topic is 6 seasons. There are 6 seasons in our country. So let's start today's class. You see, this is your science book. Our today's topic is 6 seasons. This is page number 39 and this is chapter 16. Look at this picture. You can see here is a 6 seasons picture. First one is summer. Second one season is rainy season. Then autumn. Then late autumn. Then winter. And then spring. Okay dear student, when you watching this class, you can follow your book also. There are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. There are 1 number summer. Let's spell this word summer. Spelling is S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Second season is rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Third number season is autumn. A-U-T-U-M-M, autumn. 4 number season is late autumn. Late, L-A-T-E, late autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N, late autumn. 5 number season is winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. 6 number season is spring. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Dear student, before we discuss our 6 season, we have to know about our 12 months. So do you know our 12 months name? Let's read 12 months name. Our first month name is January. 2 number February. 3 number March. 4 number April. 5 number May. 6 number June. Then July, August, September, October, November and December. Now let's start discuss about our seasons. Our first season is summer season. This season will start the middle April to middle and it will end to middle May. Summer season is very hot season in our country. We feel hot in this season and we can get various kinds of fruit in this season like mango, jackfruit, lychee, etc. Our second season is rainy season. It will start mid-June to mid-August. Our rainy season, after summer comes the rainy season. It is the second season of Bangladesh. Black cloud overcast the sky, then heavy rainfall occur in this season. You can see here is a black cloud. Next, our season is autumn. It will start mid-August to September. And this season, after the rainy season comes the autumn. This season the sky looks deep blue and some flower bloom in this season. You can see this picture. Here is some flowers. You may see these flowers in Bangla. We we can call this flower kashful, and this flower name in English is Can's grass. Next, our season is late autumn, and this season start from mid-October to November. In this season, you can see, in this season farmer cuts their new harvest. You can see their farmer, they cut their new harvest. Then our 5 number season, after late autumn come winter season. This is a very nice season. In winter season, it is very cold and dry. In this season, it is cold and very dry season, and in this season, morning often foggy. Okay, you can see this picture. Here is a date juice, and we get date juice in winter season only, and we make various kinds of our traditional food with this date juice. After that, and last one is spring season. This season start from February to March. In this season, new leaves come out in plants. Trees and leaves look beautiful. You can see this picture. It's a beautiful picture. Here is everywhere is flowers, birds, and new leaves, colorful leaves. Different kinds of flowers bloom in this season. This season is called King of the Season. Dear student, now we will do some question answer. Our first question answer is, how many seasons are there in Bangladesh? Answer will be, there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. 2 number question is, in which season do you feel cold? Answer will be, in winter season we feel cold. 3 number question is, in which season do flowers bloom? Answer will be, in spring season flowers bloom. Let's revise this chapter again. Dear student, how many seasons in our country? Yes, 6 seasons. The name of our seasons is summer, rainy, autumn, late autumn, winter, spring. Student, your SW will be, this is your second SW, and your SW will be question answer, 3 question answer. Your SW will be 3 question answer. That means here is a 1 number question, 2 number question, and 3 number question. These 3 question answer will be your SW, and you have to write only the answer. Dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and submit your SW every Sunday, and every Sunday from 8 AM to 2 PM. And so, dear student, stay home and stay well. See you again in our next class. Thank you.